Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to turn an ebook into an audiobook using Immersive Reader. So the first thing we need to do is you need to make sure that you are using the Microsoft Edge web browser. So I will just open that up and I have preloaded the UCLan Library and IT homepage, which is on the Student Hub. So if you simply select Library and IT Home from the top bar, it will take you into this page on the screen. So I'm just going to scroll down on this page until I see books and ebooks, and then I'm just going to open a number of the ebook platforms. So follow it down until you see the ebook button, and this will then give you all of the different ebook collections that we subscribe to. Our two largest collections of ebooks are Ebook Central and VLEbooks, and they are the two that I will be demonstrating today. I'll start with Ebook Central. So when you click on that link, you then just select the link that that page is on. So when you click onto that, it should then take you into the UCLan version of this system. When this loads up, there is just a step that you need to do before you're able to get the browser to read the content out to you. So if you go up to your profile, which is located in the top right hand corner of this screen, you just need to scroll down until you see the accessibility settings section and enable text only mode. When you toggle that button to on, you just need to agree to the terms of service and select save changes. So now those changes have been updated and I can then simply search for a book, or I'm just going to use one of my recently viewed items. So at the bottom I have this critical thinking guide, and the easiest thing to do is to read this online. So if I select read online, what happens now is the page looks slightly different as all of the images contained within this text have been removed. But this allows the Immersive Reader that is built into this web browser to then read the text and read it out to you. So if I open the first chapter, what I can do now is I can enable Immersive Reader within this page. So simply head up to the search bar along the top of the screen, and at the end of that there is a little button that is a capital A with two lines next to it. If you select on that, it will open up Immersive Reader. As you can see, it starts working straight away, but it will read everything on the page, including the items at the top of the screen. To navigate, you can skip between the sort of forwards and backwards to move it between paragraphs, or you can also highlight the text and then you can select play.
Beginning to think critically, recognizing arguments standard form.
If you wanted to, you can also change the voice options using the button at the top right hand corner. That allows you to update the speed of the text, and you can also change different voices. Okay, so that is how to use the system within Ebook Central, and you would then simply click to go to the next page and you can start playing again. I'm just going to shut Immersive Reader for now, and I'm going to skip back to my eBooks platforms, and I'm now going to select VLEbooks. When you click on this title, again, you will just need to follow the link on this page, and this will then take you into the system. If ever you see a login page like what is on the screen now, so we have sort of login using your account or some options down the right hand side, always remember to select the Open Athens option, and you will then be prompted to select your institution. So I will just search for Lancashire, and you can see that the University of Central Lancashire is now the #1 option. At this point, it's taken me to the home page of VLEbooks, and I'm simply going to select one of the books on this page, or you could also search for the books within here. If you click on each item, then again you have the option to read online. This time, rather than having to select any extra features or functions, I can simply browse to the part of the book that I want to start with. So if I go for chapter 1, within VLEbooks, there's actually a function to read this aloud to me. So there is a little speaker icon in the top right-hand corner. If I select that, it then starts playing.
What is marketing?
You can see that it defaults to autoplay on each page. So as you scroll through the book, it will play straight away to you. And there are some options as well. So you are able, with the 3 little dots at the end, to either download this page as in audio format, or you can alter the playback speed as well. So if you wanted to speed it up or slow it down, you can do both of that. Again, you've got the options to forward or rewind different parts of this page, and you can press play. Different books will give you different access as well. So if I just skip back to the full setting, sometimes you are able to change the voices for different books. So if I select the read online option again, you can see this one looks slightly different, but we still have the little speaker icon to read this aloud. So I can then select start reading and resume and stop. But on this book, I have some advanced settings, which means that I can then specify whether I want it to auto start, so it will just continuously read the book for me. I can alter the speed and the pitch, but I can also change the voice here. So if you wanted to change the voice to what we had in the Immersive Reader, I just need to scroll down until I get to the UK options, and I had enabled Sonia before. And now I'm good to go. I hope this video was useful. If you have any further questions, then please do get in touch with us on subjectlibrarians@uclan.ac.uk. Thank you.